Hi, I'm Dr. Rasya Dikshit. I'm a dermatologist practicing in Bangalore from the last 18 years. Lymphatic drainage on the face, is it good for you? Lymph is an organ which removes the excess fluid from the body. So it is present all over the body and it is like an alternative system of drainage from the body. So if you see that you are a kind of person who has lot of puffy face, puffy eyes, whether it is when you wake up in the morning or the puffiness is more after an event or you had a long night out, you feel there is a lot of puffiness under the eye, then lymphatic drainage massage is a treatment which is very advisable for you. The lymph flows from the face towards the neck area, on the upper face towards the ears, and from the lower face to the neck area down the chest. And these are the lymphatic drainage massages which will be used in the clinic or in the treatment time when the massages are derived from away from the midline towards ear area and from the lower face towards the neck, from the neck towards the chest area. So what does this do? This drains the excess tissue fluid. Lymph is nothing but tissue fluid. So it is going to drain that into the blood system so that the face looks much more tighter, rejuvenated, and the skin looks much more fresher. So is this a treatment for everybody? It is definitely for those who have a lot of water retention. It could be you during your premenstrual cycle. It is also for those people who have a lot of salt in the diet, who end up eating a lot of salt and look very puffy in the mornings. And remember that lymphatic drainage alone won't work if you're not drinking enough water. You need to also drink enough water to make the excess salt in your body be removed from the body. So combine it with your excess water intake, and this is a good treatment for you. To know more about lymphatic drainage treatments, do speak to your dermatologist.